My God, wow. Look at the suspension on this thing. Hey, whoo, smooth. What is up, everybody? It is your boy, Racing Jack, here in the Cycle Drag Garage. And what do we have today? I'm excited because I think out of all the e-bikes I've ever received, this is the biggest box. This is the much hyped, much talked about Aipas. Some people actually think it's a TV. They thought I was getting a new television. I don't know, maybe a great idea or bad idea by Aipas. I don't know what's more desirable, a bike or TV, but that is pretty cool. Let's take a look at this beauty and see what we're getting into. And again, everything will be linked below. If you like what you see, if you think this would be a great pit vehicle, if this is something that your kids would like, something that you would like, well then you know what you got to do. Oh man, okay. Come on in here, take a look at this. Packed very well, as you can see. Just some of the things that we need to cut out of here, but I think they did an excellent job packing, and that is always the first thing that I do when I assess these companies, because we never want to see these things scratched up or marked up before you get them out of the box. So let's give ourselves a little bit of room over here. You know what I think we're gonna do? It's pretty cool, like I said. This thing hasn't moved. You're gonna need your clippers, that's for sure. I'm curious to see what the fit and finish is like, and it looks like we got a cool black color, so I do like that. Black's one of my favorite colors when it comes to cars, bikes, anything like that. We'll see what the assembly's like too. Some of these can be pretty labor intensive. Some of them are plug and play. And so far this one's looking like not much assembly, which is something that I will enjoy greatly. I think the problem is I opened it upside down, but we're going to be very gentle. That's okay if you open it upside down, as long as you are gentle. Let me see if I can get this out of here. Oh, you know what? This is light. Oh, man, this is light. This is one of the lightest e-bikes I have reviewed, and that is a very good positive sign. How about that? My goodness. I love it. Well, let's get this thing all unzip tied and get to work. All right, we got this baby unpackaged. Take a look, beautiful finish. Look at this beefy neck too. I love how all these frames tend to vary a little bit. This one, another step through frame. Everything looks super high quality, very luminous, glossy. Let's take a look at what we have over here too, because it did come with, of course, a charger. So come check this out. Nice. Everything packaged very well. And, oh, we got a box of goodies here. We have a lock. That is very nice. We got some pedals. Toolkit. I think this is so cool, too, that not everybody's blessed to have a toolkit from SP Tools. They send you some tools to work on this with. And the all-important instruction manual. Thank you very much. We'll be using that. But I got to say, giving it the quick eye test, doesn't look like there's too much assembly. All right, here we go. We are put together. Wasn't too bad. And look at this, what a perfect night. Feels a little more like Halloween. It's a little misty out here, but I'm excited to try it with the pedal assist mode. Here we go. I love the comfort of this bike. Feels very comfortable. Let's give it a shot. Let's start out in first gear. Check out, you'll like the nice light too. Very cool. Easy to see. Here's the light, by the way. All right, that's always a good thing. Visibility is a good thing. So here we go. We'll start in first gear. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Wow. Wow. This is a fast one. Woo. Second gear. Fourth. Whoa. Wow, I cannot believe how smooth this is. This has got to be one of the smoothest and one of the fastest that I've ever ridden. Absolutely love it. Suspension feels good too, very plush. Feels like it could really absorb a lot. That is super awesome, man. Let me take a look at this once again. Here we go. Wow. Look at this. I love it, guys. If you're in the market for a nice, sturdy, smooth e-bike, this might very well be you. Very smooth. Man. Wow. Nice ride, guys. I love it. You need one. We got a link down below in the comments. Check it out. Nice quality piece of machinery. Thank you very much.